Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving the Windows 10 store error code 0x80072efd, where it says that the server stumbled, we all have bad days, or something along those lines, so it gives you a little comical line in there, and it gives you an error code as well. So hopefully this will be able to resolve the problem without too much of a hassle here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just go ahead and left click on the start button one time, type in WS reset. So again, WS reset. Best match should hopefully come back with WS reset. You want to right click on that and then select run as administrator. Give it a moment to run here. This is basically clearing the Windows Store cache, so just be patient. And hopefully the Windows or Microsoft Store should open up without incident at this point. If you are still having a problem, another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu, type in Windows PowerShell. Best match should come back with Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of the video that starts with PowerShell. I want you guys to copy that and then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it one time, left click on edit, and then left click on paste to paste it in. Give it a moment here. And that should honestly be about it. Once you have a blinking cursor, that means you're done. Close out of here. Hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem as well. So one further thing you can try here would be to open up the start menu and then select the settings gear icon on the left side, or you can type in settings in the start menu, whichever you prefer. Select the time and language tile. Make sure the current date and time is correct here. If it's not, you want to set it automatically, and if for some reason that's still messed up, you might want to change the time zone or set the time and date manually. So make sure the time and date settings are correct. I noticed that definitely can create problems as well. So hopefully I would have been able to fix the problem too. Another thing you can try would be to open up the start menu, type in services. Best match should come back with services here. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to locate the background intelligent transfer service. Double click on that. Startup type should be set to automatic, and service status should be selected to start. So make sure that's started here and then select apply and OK. Do the same thing for the Windows Update service right here. So again, you want to either do automatic or automatic delayed start. Make sure service status is running and then select apply and OK. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.